Here's why you should join Road QA.
Because you're missing opportunities just like this every single day.
Some of you are sitting on transferable experience. If you already have been acclimated to using Salesforce in some way, now you just need to be a QA, 65 to 75K a year. And trust me, these jobs definitely can go up. I've seen them easily 100. Look, right there, even that says 85K.
This is what I want to show you. These are just a few companies. So if you work with them or use them in any type of way, these companies actually use Salesforce. So you have transferable skills you can use already. Look at this. About 150,000 companies across different industries actually use Salesforce.
There's another one, quality assurance analyst. Here we go, troubleshooting, agile. You're missing opportunities just like this every single day. Oh, what about this one, 116 to 131? Oh, it's a remote position. You have any pharmacy experience? Listen, I actually have an individual who's working in the pharmacy making about under $15 an hour, and now she's a QA. Listen, do you have transferable skills and you've actually been in the pharmacy industry? Look at this one, manual QA tester 3 days ago, fully remote. Here you go again. You gotta love these QA Salesforce positions. Ready to join us? DM me the word skills today, and I'll send you more information on how you can join Road to QA and be a QA.